Today we have a little project. Hadn't rained here in 2 or 3 months, but it's raining just barely. Anyway, I've got a little project here of some treadstones. Uh, they move around. I'm going to try to pour cement in between them, maybe keep them in one spot and keep some of the grass down, and mainly so the darn dog won't dig them up. Don't really care for the dry pour. I don't think it's as strong. So today I'm going to mix it the old-fashioned way, which is more work. But we're going to see. Okay, there's my finished product. Not too bad, just a little cleaning up to do. So, if you liked it, hit that like button or subscribe, and thanks for watching Mud Grip Mike.